Omingo Magara is my name. Richard Onyonka Poleni na familia yote. Now I want to remember the last day before Mama passed on. I and Honorable Machogu prayed by Mama's bedside, and we thought she was going to make it. That it happened, may God's will be done. Finally! Hapa muko aje? Muko aje? A message is one. Aseke jangu aneke kusiga ati mantuma kule sunge kenge. Jangu aneke kusi. Onye go okota tinyangi cheke kusi. Go chiete nyangi yeke kusi. Tako igoro mogoko asenyo ka kuruga oso enyumba obukumobobobobototo. Number 2. Yonata baiga. Ntobwata mumuro ito otorugero bokima komatiangi. Aba murabane na bande baigo ire mogoko oso enyumba chiko limyunguro. Mutakete boigo. Number 2. Akasiri kao na kabaga ke na guko jira mugondo. Wasema no hapo. Akairi kao na kabaga akalia na guko irege sangyo. Omosaka tu aira banta abo sifuna. Mimi nikafanya kazi na ndugu yako Lawrence. James Orengo, I'm a founding member of ODM number 6. Hapa hivi mheshimiwa James Ongwa tumepishana kidogo mambo ya siasa. Mheshimiwa Kalonzo na muelewa kabisa msemo mtulivu. Na asema naona Richard Onyonka ako pale. What we are saying, we want all these gentlemen to be together, that we can fix this thing, this country, that I can tell you is going to dogs. Kenya requires a renaissance, and we can only fix it from here. Omingo Magara, Senator Goligia, Senator Makisi County, round hii, Onyonka tulimpinga, ni kalima yake doa kapita kwa dirisha. Round hii, ya, Onyonka osuka, osukebosyo. Otherwise, 19 mboga nankoli Bosongo, machaguo cha kombolia angepera limotigere gosantigere egente katoro asmuina ana so ambere Bosongo Borobu Bwarosire Mboiyo mboro yeah wanya tango tayeba principles by agree Machogu Omingo Onyonka, we must sit and also agree and set an example. God bless you.
Asante sana. Sasa ningependa kumuita Senator Esi Okenyuri. Hold it.